Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you best healthcare insurance: Blue Cross Blue Shield or UnitedHealthcare, Aetna or Cigna. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So when you look at the big four healthcare insurance, which in this case Blue Cross Blue Shield, UnitedHealthcare, Aetna, and also Cigna here, well, you are looking at the heavyweights of the medical world. Now, choosing among them isn't about finding one magical company that works for everyone. Instead, it's about deciding whether your priorities in this case, prioritize a massive doctor network, high-tech digital convenience, neighborhood pharmacy integration, or global travel flexibility. Now, let's first look at what we call Blue Cross Blue Shield. Now, because they are essentially the undisputed network kings, BCBS is actually a massive association of independent regional companies, and their absolute superpower is their PPO network, which includes roughly half of all practicing doctors in the country. If you travel frequently here, have specialized medical needs, or want the absolute freedom to see a doctor without needing a strict referral here, BCBS is your strongest baseline. Now, the only real catch is that because they are split into regional branches, your specific plan costs, benefits, and customer service quality will vary widely depending on your home state. Now, next is we have UnitedHealthcare. Now, UnitedHealthcare here takes a completely different tech-forward approach. Now, they are the single largest health insurer in the nation, and they pour a massive amount of money into highly polished digital experience. Now, if you love managing your health seamlessly here, in this case, from your phone, well, their app integration with virtual care and home pharmacy delivery is incredibly smooth. They also utilize an all-in-one member card that beautifully bundles your medical ID and with wellness rewards and grocery allowance here. Now, the major trade-off with United Healthcare is their strict corporate oversight. They historically carry slightly higher claim denial rates than BCBS, meaning you and your doctor might face more administrative hurdles here to get specialized treatments approved. Now, next is we have Aetna, which is owned by CVS Health. So this one is your go-to if you value budget-friendly pricing and neighborhood convenience, because they are fully tied into CVS pharmacies and local minute clinics, and they offer fantastic low-cost walk-in care and highly competitive prescription pricing. Now, if you live in a city or suburb and love the idea of swinging by a local pharmacy for a quick $0 virtual or physical checkup, Aetna here is hard to beat. However, their doctor network is much more tightly concentrated. So if you live in a rural area or want to keep an independent specialist, well, their options can feel a bit restrictive. Now, finally, we have Cigna. Now, Cigna here is the champion of global flexibility and preventive wellness. Now, while their domestic footprint on the individual marketplace is smaller than the others here, they are a massive powerhouse for international coverage, spanning over 200 countries. Now, if you travel overseas constantly here, work for a global corporation, or want premium employer-sponsored PPO plans with heavy mental health and wellness perks here, well, Cigna shines. Now, ultimately here, the best card in your wallet depends entirely on your lifestyle here. Now, if you want maximum doctor freedom, well, you may lean towards into Blue Cross Blue Shield. Now, if you want a slick automated tech experience here, you may want to go with United Healthcare. Now, if you want a neighborhood rental convenience via CVS, well, in this case, pick Aetna. Now, if you need international coverage, robust employer perks, well, Cigna is your match. Now, just to be sure to run your non-negotiable doctors and regular prescriptions through their local directories before making your final pick. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.